At last, I've installed Arch Linux as my main operating system. So goodbye to Windows, and here I am on Arch Linux, and let me just show you one thing. There I go. And as you can see, this is DaVinci Resolve Studio version. Yep. So I can edit videos to the fullest without any problem. I've installed DaVinci Resolve Studio, applied some fixes or some things which would give me access to MP4 files and all of that stuff using some, well, what was that real Indian term? Jugaad. And along with that, I have finally switched. Like, video editing was the only thing which was holding me back from switching completely to Linux. Even gaming is possible on Linux at ease. And if you still doubt that, just take a look at Steam Deck. And literally, man, like, this is just so damn good. Like, first thing, the camera is literally amazing. I don't know how, but somehow Linux turns the whole camera into a full beast. Like, this is a 1 megapixel laptop camera. Can you believe it? And just, it's literally so damn smooth, pretty good, and the quality is amazing. Yep. And now showing you the desktop. So yep, this is completely Arch Linux, a custom build. And as you can see, I've been doing a few things here and there. And let me just tell you or show you something. There it is with, what is this unknown? You might be wondering. Well, this allows me to switch between GPUs from NVIDIA, hybrid or integrated. Literally, I spent almost like 5 hours doing just that. Yep. And along with that, let me just show you something. Hey, catch. There we go on the system. And as you can see here in the about section, as you see, it is using GNOME 48 latest version along with an LTS kernel. So yep, it is gonna be very, very stable and useful for me. And right now I'm using literally just like Orchis GTK theme along with Papyrus icon pack, and it works flawlessly in my opinion. Like, I don't need anything. You see, previously I thought why shouldn't I just go on with Hyperland? But then like there were literally issues, and in order to make Arch Linux my full-fledged daily driver, I'm gonna need something more than just a window manager. I need a complete desktop environment, which can be very, very smooth and has a GUI for everything. Well, I could have gone with KDE, but just I'm in love with GNOME here. And if I show you Edgetop, as you can see, it is just using 3.79 GBs. Now, you might be wondering, like, it is still high, then why am I just saying like it's nothing? Because first thing, a camera application is running. Second thing, OBS is literally recording 1080p 60 FPS with GPU acceleration. Again, Chrome is running like a few things, like 2 tabs, and Chrome can let you see how much RAM each tab is using, 145 MBs, 259 MBs, and then some extra for the other. And I'm literally running a very, very heavy, well, a dedicated video is coming for this particular dude here. Let me just give you a hint. This is literally the best replacement for, what can we say, Notion. And as you can see, it works damn good. And along with that, you see, I've realized one thing, like Flatpaks are at a level which, like, it can literally replace any package manager, literally. Right now, you see, half of the applications you are seeing here are installed from Flatpaks, literally half of. And GNOME software has all the applications I'm ever gonna need here. Well, yeah, by the way, I wanted to install Zen browser, but then I stopped myself because Chrome is all in one for me. Yes, I am gonna need to deal with a lot of data stealing and advertisements, tracking, all of that stuff. But still, if Chrome can get my work done, then it's pretty good enough for me. And yeah, let me just show you DaVinci Resolve. There I am, and it is opening, and it opens really, really fast, like 10 times faster than Windows. There it is. Here I am. Let me just import some MP4 files to actually let you see this, because as you already know, I'm just a kid right now. So you see there it is, MP4 file, and let me just import MP3 as well. There I am, change, and here I am. Let me just drag and drop these there. And as you can, let me just do one thing. Like, I'm not gonna play this video, but it is a song from Solo Leveling, Dark Aria. Literally, man. If you have not watched Solo Leveling and you are someone who likes to watch anime, then you're missing a huge deal. Like, well, yeah, Solo Leveling is actually Korean, so we cannot call it proper anime. Now then, and yeah, just to show you that this is not just any modded version of DaVinci, normal DaVinci, and it is complete studio. Let me just show you this. What did I just do? All right, about. Let me just go to preference. Can it? I don't know. Well, let me just show you some really, how can I say, like, hey, if you have ever used DaVinci Resolve, then you know that super scale is literally limited to, what do you call it, like the highest version of RTX. And here I am going on with 2 times enhanced. And let me just literally like, sorry. So let me just export it in MP4, H264, render. It should be there. What's this noise? I don't know, it wasn't here. Alright, it is because I'm using a very old mouse right now. What is going on with it? Alright, how can I forget? Now you will not listen that bloody thing. Alright then, I should not do one thing, like super scaling actually takes a hell lot of power. So let me just cancel renders and quit. Do not save. And let me just open it again because super scaling was way too damn heavy for my laptop. And I'm not even plugged in right now. Well, I am not plugged in. My laptop is not plugged in. Alright then, so let me just show you instantly. There I am with this. Open, change. Let me just drag and drop stuff. There I am. Let me just do some color grading. Okay. So let me just increase the details. Hey, let me just show you one thing. Like, let me just open a good part. Alright then, so as you just take a look at the power of detailing, if you can see the difference. I don't know you can or you cannot, but still, it makes a huge difference. And then let me just give it a little color boost and increase the brightness a little. Now let's deliver it. KOP, let's go on with MP4, add to render, there, render it. And now as you can see, it is properly rendering without any problem. And this is the real power of, well, what can I say? Arch Linux with DaVinci Resolve. Like, the whole operating system looks damn good. And yeah, one thing, like, it's not something related to Linux. Like, this video is definitely not for informational purposes. It is just like me talking to you about some things I did, some things you might do. Literally my English, I need to work on it. So this wallpaper, as you can see right now, is actually from a video, from a music in particular, which I literally listen to all the time. Let me just show you. And like, you're gonna love this music, definitely. And don't you dare look at my subscriptions. I know you're doing that. So it is Insomnia music, just that. Maybe it was a song. And there it is. It is literally the best song. Like, it refreshes me from top to bottom. Let me just show you. Alright then, and yeah, a disclaimer, like, by chance, if you could not hear anything during that part, that means that that part was deleted by YouTube due to copyright issues. Yep. Literally, man, these copyrights are killing me. Yeah, I promise you one thing, that once I reach a state where I'm earning more than enough, then I'll use that copyrighted stuff to make my videos way better than that. But till then, I'm not gonna do that. I need AdSense. And besides, in my opinion, like, Linux is actually literally, man, something good. Hey, you can see me here. Now, I'm literally wondering, like, why am I creating a video like this? Well, maybe because I just wanted to show you that, yes, switching to Linux completely from Windows is possible. And here I am with it. Literally, man, this feels so damn relaxing. It's been such a long time, like, years have passed. Like, earlierly, when I didn't had a proper laptop like this one, I had a very old, like, 10-year-old PC. I installed Linux Mint and I wanted to switch to Linux Mint completely. I even did. But then I could not just grab any proper video editing software. Yep. But here I am. And yeah, if you're watching till now, then I'm wondering, like, let me just show you something which I was searching. So I was asking ChatGPT about something. Okay, let me just download it and show it to you. There it is. Now, you see, it's a marktext file which can be opened from here. Yep, this is the application. Let me just open a file, go to downloads. This is it. So as you can see, this is like ChatGPT made a proper wait, why it is mission internship? Like I was asking it to me, like I was asking ChatGPT to create a roadmap so that I can be internship ready till 2026, which means I want to learn a lot of skills till 2026 so that I can get an internship. Yep, I'm not gonna just rely on a college. So I asked it to create a proper something like this for particularly this application, which is mark text. Hey, cannot I just, hey, actually there are a lot of other themes as well. Let me just show you. This is cadmium light, cadmium. Then there is a dark one, which actually looks good. Pretty similar to Visual Code Studio. And here I am with low battery because I've been using my dedicated GPU all the time. Then we have one dark. One dark actually looks damn good. And then we have this light version, which I don't like. But as of now, I'm gonna go with material dark. Now, if any of you guys are in, like IT sector or in the field of computer science and engineering or something like that, then I'm aiming to go on with AI, machine learning, and cloud computing. Like, I'm sort of confused in what shall I choose in BTech, like AI and ML, or just AI, or cloud computing, or data science. I don't know. But these fields are the ones which looks good to me. I didn't have any idea what sort of work is actually done in cloud computing. I have idea in AI and ML. And I'm planning to learn from YouTube, grab some free certificates, do some real world project. And I asked AI to create this roadmap sort of, I don't know what it is. And why are these check marks? Let me just remove them. What did I do just? Don't do anything. Oh, so these are actually links. ChatGPT actually grabbed a lot of links of videos from here and there. Now I'm saying like AI can actually be your best friend in learning. Like in the entire history, no person had something like AI or ChatGPT which can help you learn without putting any efforts. I didn't even had to search for what to do, how to do. It just gave me a proper roadmap of what are the things I need to do to be internship ready. Like a few years ago, college was the only way people were learning these things, and now we have so many resources, so why don't we use it? And now here I am ready with this. So yeah, if you have any suggestions about what shall I choose in BTech and how can I be industry ready and what sort of languages I should be learning and something like that, it'll be a great help from you guys. Well, yeah, it was just you and me talking. Well, it was just me talking to you. You cannot even talk to me real time. Well, you can. I have a Discord server. Well, yeah, I need to learn how to use Discord. I literally need to learn. Well, a person called Joker helped me a lot in creating Discord server look a little better. He did a lot of stuff. But I need to learn to manage it because somehow I was not able to give Joker the appropriate permissions because I was using Android tablet and Android tablet didn't had any links or permissions to give. But I believe I'm gonna learn how to use Discord properly. Hey, let me just post something for the thumbnail. Yep, I'm gonna do. Okay, let me just quit the posing part. Let me just increase the brightness a little, like not that much, but yeah, this much. Well, yeah, that was it. And yeah, it has been a while since I talked about my YouTube channel. Let me just open YouTube Studio. Hey, I cannot show you, like a guy informed me that I cannot show you the statistic of my YouTube channel. Do you have any idea is that real or not? But still, let me just take precaution and open it in YouTube. Alright then, so this is my channel as you can see, and you see these past days I've been creating videos consistently about mostly Linux. I'd say like Linux, then their Linux, and Linux. Well, this is a pretty interesting video. You should watch it. And yeah, I've started a new series about Linux applications. So, yep. And then you see like if there is a very trending topic going on with sci-fi technology, then I'm going to create a video like this. Now, talking about my channel, then I've realized one thing, that I should stick to my niche. I've been trying to get into the field of AI, Android, Windows, everywhere. And it didn't work out. That is the truth. I tried something new and I failed. And my lesson from it is that I need to stick to my niche because Linux has the potential. As long as I'm creating quality content in decent quantity, I can get to you. And besides that, I'm planning to open a few more channels about some different stuff. Like, let me just show you something. So this is Melanote. I discovered it from Shantanu Kumar's video. Yeah, if you don't know who he is, then let me just show you in subscriptions. I literally started YouTube because of him. There it is, Shantanu Kumar. Literally, man. At first, he was just normal graphics designer. Then he started his own studio, then his own shop, and now a full clothing brand. Like all of it in just like a few years, 3 or 4 years maybe. And man, the quality of his videos are damn good. Like, let me just show you one. And yeah, I'm going to mute it. So as you can see, his videos are very aesthetic, very well designed. Like, of course, he's a designer, but the way he uses everything, I want to become like him. Like, he is my inspiration in starting YouTube. Even if he's a designer, at first I started creating design videos, but then I developed an interest in Linux, so here I am. But like really, man, damn good. His videos are damn aesthetic, like, oh man. Like, these videos are actually way better than 99% of the Bollywood movies. And if you agree with me, then don't forget to comment about it. Like, man, he is my end goal, I'll say. But now leaving that, and yeah, should I create a video about this? Varun Maya actually created India's first super high quality game. And it is actually super high quality. Though the trailer has only been released, but still. Now let me just show you Milanode. Let me just log in first. Hey, 6% battery. Looks like I'm gonna need to do something. Let me just plug it in. Just wait a second. Is it charging or not? Not charging? Well, it shows that it is charging. Okay, now leaving that. You see, let me just zoom it a little. So as you can see, just this mouse acceleration is actually killing me. Now then, I'm planning to create a CS channel. Now you might be wondering like, what is this? Computer science? Well, I'm planning to start teaching lessons about computer science of class 11th and 12th in Hindi. Then I want to start a tech news channel, which is gonna like, yes, I tried tech news. Let me just show you where should I go? Maybe here. So as you can see, I tried tech news. Literally, I did. And I found out that my audience, like YouTube knows that all of my audience is Linux lovers. And so my tech news videos, which were supposed to be general content for a large audience, was only shown to Linux oriented audience, and that didn't work out properly. So I'm going to start a proper new channel for that. And yes, it is going to be English, so you can subscribe. And then I'm planning on starting a channel which is AI based, which means all the content is going to be created by AI. Well, I'm going to just test out some, amazing AI tools to create content. And then I want to start a soccer channel. Now, you might be wondering like, why the hell? Well, I'm talking about, you see those shorts about soccer, and I don't like, let me just tell you a secret. Well, it is not a secret. My whole family knows that I, as a person, even if I'm an Indian, I don't quite like cricket. Like, yes, it is really fun to play, but you see, watching the matches of cricket, it feels a little boring to me. Yep, that's just me. I'm not telling that cricket is bad. Literally, man, I'm a big fan of Kohli. And man, even I had to watch that RCB match. Finally, after such a long time, RCB is finally getting the ground. Like, I must say, the most loyal fan base is of RCB. RCB has the most loyal fan base in the whole world. I can say that. Now leaving that. Yep. And it is going to be shorts. This one's also going to be mostly shorts. And then it's going to be mixed from tech videos, which are going to be weekly, along with daily tech news, which are going to just be like short clips of the same video. Yep. And then I'm thinking about starting a self-development channel for product. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to do all of them right now or from tomorrow or from next month. No, these are my long-term goals. Like, I see an opportunity in opening a computer science channel, then I'm going to do that. I like tech, so I'm going to create a tech news channel weekly. So it's just going to need like 4 or 5 hours every week. And then I want to how can I say that I'm quite excited about these AI tools which are coming every now and then, and I'd like to try them out. So yep, there's another channel. And I'm a huge fan of soccer, so yep, this might also be AI generated. Yep, that is why bulk is written, because it can be created in bulk, and I'm going to create a lot of AI videos, AI generated videos every once in a while and then schedule them for later. Well, if we are getting an opportunity to create videos with AI, then why shouldn't we? And then I'm planning to create a proper product. Like I have an idea to create a product and I'm not gonna reveal that or else someone might steal that idea. Oh, and now my tongue is slipping. Well, the term like Zuban Phisalna. Yep, because it's literally almost 11. And yeah, maybe the video is quite long, like it has been 34 minutes. Well, yes, that after removing all the silent parts, it's gonna be shorter, but still, it's too long. Well, I just wanted to talk to you guys about my future goals and other stuff. Now, let me just check these out. I have created a plan, which is this. And then I've created a video already. This is my second video in the day. And then I've installed Arch plus GNOME. And now the only thing which is left is to start learning coding. No thanks. So this is the thing I'm going to do after recording this video. Now talking about Millanode, then yes, it is indeed an amazing, well, Notion sort of video, but better, like literally better. And yeah, I like to write some things like the things which do not work and things that work. And I believe that is it. Like this should have been some sort of a live stream in which I would chat and talk to you guys. But right now I don't have that large audience space. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want live streams in the future. It is literally so damn fun when you have an audience to talk to. Literally, man, it has been such a long time. I started this channel in 2022, almost 3 years ago. Not almost, more than 3 years ago. And finally, here we are at 5.25k subscribers. Yep, it has been a long journey. And maybe it was way too slow, but it was worth it. Yes, it was worth it. All the time I spent creating these videos, it was worth it. Thanks to you guys. Well then, I believe it's enough. And yes, I was worried that my charger was not working, but it is. It is charging. Now then, I believe that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, then subscribe for more awesome tech videos uploaded on this channel. And yes, I know I need to level up my quality of camera, audio, and lighting, not to forget. Yep, I need to do all of that. Well, you're gonna need to subscribe in order for getting high quality content. And yeah, I've never asked you to share my videos because most probably there would be nobody in your friend circle who would like Linux content. But actually that's a good thing because some things are supposed to be only yours, not others. Whether it is a hobby, a goal, or just some friends, or some inner thoughts, or your inner desires. Some things are supposed to be limited to you only. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'm feeling a little sleepy, but I have to start my coding journey. And yep, we'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye. So where am I supposed to go? Oh, right there.